Please, guys, remember to go over the Instagram page. Go give me some love. You hear that? Appreciate it. Thanks. What is up, guys? Jamaica's Gamer here for another episode of GTA Online City Patrol again. So we are pick up from which probably left off, but it's just the next episode. So we're not getting a shout out. Another one here. So big up on yourself. Same way, JWD Nation here. So today we are gonna rob the stores. Sure. But before we rob the stores, we need to go in there. Well, go in there and go get some snacks. We need to go get some snacks. So the plan is to rob 5 stores and actually, where's snacks in there? Where so? We need to how this? We need to get some snacks and then come back in and come rabbit. What do you mean? What do you mean? Me coming in the store with cops chasing after me? You know, yo, go for my dog. Me don't want your thing. Yo, me start my thing. Guys, you ready? You ready?
On the right side.
I see that didn't fair enough.
A while ago, I come in the shop. Hey, give me money, Mr. Chin. Mr. Chin, money. Mr. Chin, money.
Are you in their cost?
Not yet. Who you cost, boy? I don't know about your money. Dog, I was shooting from outside. Oh, somebody outside that shoot. Oh.
I can't speak.
Yo, pick me up there, brother. Pick me up. What you man drive past me? Chopix, I see the wicked. Come here, Range Rover. Oh, you can see me that Range Rover seat too.
And then already, you know?
Yo, Chopix, me carry the back of me, Chopix. You go the wrong way. See me carry the Chopix. Go back for me carry, please. Yo, Mr. People.
Oh my gosh.
Me go in the shop. Watch ya. Good driving. Me go in the shop a while ago. Forget me thing. You're the man say, yo, you come in the shop and make police come after. Hold some gunshot then. Since as you want that. So the aim is to rob 5 stores and get to it. Let me up, man. Let me tell you that Range Rover. See my shop already. I'll win the mash out. Make our police come after. Where you go? Come on to me car. When am I gonna passenger seat for? I wanna do my youth.
But I care,
So, alright, jump in.
Oh my god.
So when I go left me on my car, Brethren, where you drive my car for, dog?
Don't worry, Mario.
I want drive.
I said, every people, you know, say me have man drive, I know.
Watch out. God, that's what there. Make us work way up the thing.
Back into it.
So people, if you don't like the video, please leave a like on the video. Please subscribe around here. If you're new, make we know. You understand? So yeah, big up on yourself. And big up everybody who got the question right in the last episode. I go give you a shout out in another, not another one, not the next one. So only I go get a regular another one. So big up on yourself. Say the way like me say. Yeah.
Serious driving. Who this move out of way, man?
Traffics. If you record, you need to talking every day, no?
You know.
If I'm muted and you not hear me down.
Oh,
I turn off my mic when you not hear me.
No.
Yeah. That matter.
Oh. The people that don't say they like young content.
What's left? Watch out.
See place, man.
Buy some after you go up the store.
Man, well, ego chaser.
Put me carry so cause I'm here drive me carry me come on. Nobody jump on me carry my youth. Mr. Chin, money. Where there?
Sorry, Ahmed.
Money.
Ahmed.
Money, Mr. Sorry. Money. You take too long, man. Money, man. Jump fence. Lock pick. Watch it, my youth. Move the man. Watch man. What kind of rubber this? Rest rubber enough. Watch out. Don't worry yourself. You see it me a while ago? Don't worry yourself. Yo, don't drive me car, man. Where you drive me car for, dog? I will drive.
I can't drive you.
Yo, them people take over my car.
Right.
Next door there, so. What's the left? Watch out. Me set it up. Turn on. Brother, stop. Drive me car and go buy one for yourself, man, youth.
My Vin Diesel.
When who? When gas. But Vin Diesel, I gas, brother. Watch ya. Let down innocent people. Me never do that yet.
Shut up your mouth, man.
Yeah, what?
Me never let down no innocent body yet.
Oh God.
But alright.
I'm doing it. Yes, I'm there.
My youth, park the car outside the shop, brother, and stop park way down the road from the shop.
But
Alright,
the car they did right out that shop. Top nice, man.
I go and ban you from driving the car. No wait. Backseat driver because Mr. Chin, money. Hey girl, what you doing now? Come out. Robbery time. You deaf? Mr. Chin. Bombard man, you kill Mr. Chin. Ninja to see this thing, man.
Ramp them out. I mean, take that and go on.
Man, this one.
Jump in my car.
Me get the last one.
Jump in.
We can't get care.
Jump in, man. Oh, you can't go in. Watch out. Watch out. Oh, you have to jump into my own car. Watch out.
So you sure that you're care?
Yo, come pick me up now, youth. You're not come pick me up. You're not come pick me up.
Yeah, you're care.
Tita, come. Jump in. See that shit.
Alright. On a ramp rough.
Jump in, though.
Me in. Me
Go
in,
on,
dog.
go on. Go on.
Come out of this, man.
Asha.
Me if
Come
we
on,
take
Alice.
a new care.
Yo, set a waypoint. Set a waypoint, quick and fast. Two
Come
stop.
fast.
Chabix, you dead?
Okay. Of course we're dead.
Yeah, man. You dead long time, man. You dead long time, man.
So wanna spin it?
Finish.
No, man.
We're finished.
I'm picking up the crew. I'm picking up the crew first. Oh, this dead end.
I know you met that. Man, a ninja.
How can dead end this me coming, man?
Start for me.
You tell me stay your driver.
Me a driver, dog. Me not leave my teammate behind like how you leave me behind with the idiot
I
cell.
wanted it.
Brother, me jump in that car and the man.
Serious. Oh, you're good. Chapix, yeah, I'm good car, man. Drive your car, man. Come out. Hey, watch where I go on. Me not say nothing, you know. Me not say nothing.
Oh God.
Yeah, you have someone to play some rough game. Some rough game. Someone to play. Man, I play a rough game, dog. Nah, say nothing. How much police you have after you?
4 star.
Me?
Yeah, Axie, yo.
2-star.
Me no police for me. I mean, no say you go try dash me that car when you drive. You know work for my youth.
Wanna work, sir?
You know work, sir. Yeah, see?
Lego.
55
Leave.
vehicle.
Leave.
Like
Yeah,
that.
man. Leave, man. Get your one car, man. Get your one car. So no one. So no one go on. We don't want to play a serious game.
Come, Axie.
We don't want to play a serious game and come bully man for me car like a phone. A phone money buy. A phone money buy, man. I wanna work hard. He left the motorcycle club, so I'm gonna kill me now. Yes, man. A phone money buy. Worst robber ever. You know what him do? See me in the store, I rap and thump in my face because I'm gonna pick up the money.
No hard feelings.
Money, Mr. Chin.
I tell you time for me.
Mr. Chin, money.
Alright.
No.
Mr. Chin, money. Mr. Chin, money. Quick. Mr. Chin, money. Mr. Chin, money.
If the game tell you to jump off a bridge, I go do it.
Mr. Chin, money.
No.
Alright.
No.
About the club is a killer.
No more.
You're for dead, man. You're for dead. You know why you're for dead? Because you left the crew.
But they kick the man out of the car.
Eh?
But they kick the man out of the car.
Why am I kick him out?
Because I hit my drive.
Oh, police kill me.
Man say no abandon in queue and window and drop me out in front of the police. So how that makes sense?
Oh gosh.
You forgot what you do first? You forgot what you do first? What you do first?
No worries.
My youth, you must have a car for dog.
Come on.
Yeah, man, them bad mind boy in a dog. Man, them bad mind boy a dog.
I wonder how much still
You're
alive.
about next door.
Man, them bad mind boy a dog. So people me just get on my car, me jump back and go join all left of the crew. So, hold on there. Where them restore that.
Over there, somewhere. About 50 police car.
Yo, God go with you.
Good night, car. Oh.
Alright. Now a different car. And forward.
Gotta go with me.
Ha! Axie, go where you gonna my youth?
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
Axie, a waste man, you know. Axie is a waste man. Axie the fight against. Tropics, you good? Actually, the fight against. You know why am I fight against? Because he don't have a car of his own. Sorry, Ninja. Never means with that.
Wait, you pass on his story. You pass on his story.
Me not pass it. Ooh, watch a parking the people. Watch there. Cutting edge. Deaf. See story, yeah? Actually, stop now, dog. You can stop now, brother. You can stop now. Don't block no more car for me, dog.
So,
I'm not about no car for you.
keep on it.
Monday, Mr. Chin. Oh, you ratted.
He's dead already.
Tropics.
I don't know, I'm touching this. Indian.
My, what you do? What you do? What you do? What you put sticky bomb in my car for, dog?
I vote no. Sammy bo, Sammy.
Oh my gosh. Oh,
Oh God.
oh.
Look what just
Well
happened.
then.
What going on
The
again, man?
ladies are now
Look what just happened.
Actually, they blow up one car already, and then you're gonna blow up two car. Why, dog?
Which
Right.
car?
Everything good, man.
Yeah, so you hurt you now, done.
You blow up one already, and then you do extra. Yo, brother, turn on. Me carry down so.
Over carry sir.
Don't touch my car, my youth. You blow up one already, and then you go blow up the next one again. For what, dog?
What are you? What I care, man?
Just jump off my foot, man. Yeah, jump off, I think. Jump up. Yeah, go down there. You're good. Okay. Alright, people. The episode now go as planned, as usual. But I just want them thing there. So I could go back for my car again. And I can't take my car, police. I want to know, man. I see my car flash on the map like I don't want to take it. I watch it, man. Alright, people. I'm going to the next door now. And I'll try to rob Mr. Chin again with the money. Mr. Chin have money. Mr. Chin have paying tax.
Which button I go?
Over next
The
door.
next door.
The day I create, I know.
Alright, I'm forward.
Now him left,
Him
man.
after it, I know, man, kill it. I could kill the wall.
We?
No.
Yeah,
Only one person may come over.
Okay, well, in that case, it's good. It's all good.
Remember what Ninja do to me, you know?
Okay. As long as me
Come on,
depend on
come
this,
on.
yeah, right.
Oh man,
If you-
the taxi driver give me one.
People, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you leave a like on the video by supporting us. Thank you very much. Yeah, JWG Legends in the house. What you say?
You know, so we
Them
can't
dead.
sharing.
Them dead? Watch it!
Dead.
Oh, watch it, man!
Sir, what the
I will
Man, I
put it.
still can't drive, you know? Still can't drive.
I will put him there, sir. Him never did for this, sir. Watch it.
I'll try again.
No. Tropics. Let me tell you what the problem is. England, me live, and we drive on the next side of the road.
that's it.
Yeah. That is my excuse, and I'm sticking to it.
It's a horrible excuse.
Watch out.
Watch out again. Oh, sir.
I understand. Look at the wall with the England. So if you are cursed, sir,
Watch
I
out.
think it
Ninja the scratching at me. Ninja the scratching at me.
Distancing.
So here we go, people.
Now
On there.
we panel now. Now we panel now.
Turn it. I don't know something like car, no?
My youth. Me know say I'm a car long time, brother. Cause me don't see the car flash long time. I know that, brother. You think my idea? Come on.
Come on, we panel now. Come.
Run.
Oh! Sorry.
Got him there.
Mr. Chin. Don't make me talk
Hello.
two times. I talk one time. Where you there? Money, Mr. Chin.
Open it.
It
Open that
take too long,
spray.
you know. That's why I always kill him.
Nah,
It
take
take too long, man.
You
Yeah.
take too long. You want police come and so after, man?
Somebody
Grab the money and come.
Somebody
Grab the money and come. I want shoot.
No witnesses.
Money.
No witnesses.
Money.
Killer.
Axie that shoot, you know? You know, Axie that shoot, though. That's it.
No, I want lady outside.
She dead?
Open the door, you know. Arm rubber.
Yeah, she did.
Yes, man.
Sorry.
That's for one.
Oh, God.
Hold on.
Why you gonna do me like that?
Let me send him back. Invite.
Ding, 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 ding.
Watch it, police. No self. So people dep on we are go for the next door now, which is like 2 miles away.
Oh,
So-
faster, man. Watch out. They must spin you out. Watch out. Police, they're making a why?
Oh God.
No ninja, man.
The boy ninja not reckless enough.
I don't want ninja.
Him care bad
What
twin,
do
I'm
you
like
do?
him care. Like ninja care, man.
No, police. Stop you all out now.
Outside, watch it. Police, watch it. Police, know yourself.
Off the road.
Police, know yourself. Police. Ninja, we are trying to lick care me, boy. Wait. That don't make no sense. Oh God.
Watch out.
Half of the road ain't gone, man. Ain't good. Round there. No, no self. No self. Watch out. No. Are we going the wrong way? Somebody gone the wrong way. Ninja, you gone the wrong way.
Police, yeah. Get to there.
You can't get rid of police, brother. That will never happen. Oh, I'm stuck on the fence, sir. Oh, my God.
I was right there. I back like a hog seed.
Where yourself, man?
I see that front end now.
Hey, come back.
Race is not for the street, but you can endure.
Watch him.
Bye.
Know yourself. How I go on?
Oh my God.
Watch it.
The good news is that you have a day job.
See boy.
Well, that never
I'm
last,
not care,
man.
people. Me good. Me good. Let's go. What? How that? Well, I can't reverse me when I got people. No see that?
Watch out. Sorry, go
Police
again.
boy, man.
They knock you off my road, man. God.
I'm chatting, man. I'm chatting.
I'm not patient. Some more money in this one, yeah.
You're kidding now. Yo, me not going there. Me look what going from outside.
Put up in store.
Get it. Let's go.
Ready? Alright, roll up. Roll up like a roll on. Watch out. Watch out. See boy, you know. What I do?
Set away pint.
What I
Let's see, come back here.
Watch out.
Back here.
Let me do something.
Yeah,
Know
bike to them,
yourself.
pull up with
Go on.
Who the bicycle police?
Move.
No?
To them.
Boy.
Pull it.
No, they don't know yourself, man.
Oh.
Jesus.
Watch it, police. Know yourself.
I'm gonna let me hit on the dashboard.
Yeah, man. If you boss.
Sorry. For your
Something's crazy driving.
Say seatbelt, please.
Oh God.
Know yourself, police. You idiot. Know yourself, boy.
Gone again. People even know, say like the content, please comment,
Watch
like,
it.
and subscribe.
Police are block me road. Watch ya.
Hear there. I know, so the content, like, share it. Traffic smart, what you man?
Yo, me say,
Alone have problems, you know.
Even drink liquor.
me say Ninja take off half of one fence, got the road to blow out. One hour going up there. Trouble with them, man. You know.
Yeah, what's the problem with the police? Move away, police.
Yeah, I mean, ain't no long talking now.
Hold him, Ninja. Hold Mr. Chin there. Hold him at ransom.
No, so there's a black man aware.
Eh?
Support the black business, them.
Nah, yeah, man, that's right. Jeffrey.
Concentrate. Focus.
Jeffrey.
Boy,
Jeffrey.
Oh, we're not doing nothing.
That is Sam. Money.
Straight up.
That is Sam. Money, man. Money. Oh, that Mr. That is Sam.
Straight up.
That is Sam. Money, we want. Hear that?
Come on, police.
Don't kill him. Don't kill him.
There it is.
Watch it. We're not getting a chance. Watch it. Know yourself. Jump in. Know yourself.
I see.
I found on the
with the
wicked.
care.
I found on the wicked. Watch out, hold on.
Know
Sorry.
yourself.
Yeah.
Too much police care there, say no.
Know yourself, man.
Yo, you know some my thing glitch out. The police they know the pop, you know.
That good
Yeah,
feeling.
glitch out. Come on, I shoot every one of them. They can't shoot me.
Watch out.
Know yourself.
Traffic said just
Ninja,
glitch.
we on the same team, brother.
Only just glitch.
Like, yeah, too.
Lie, you know.
You wish I did lie, man.
Oh, this barbershop here rap? No, man. No, rap. After we don't want a year.
You want
Barbershop this?
You mean here.
Money we want, Mr. Chin. One of there. Who the inner, sir?
Yeah, go on.
Who the wrong part? Alright,
But not time in no long time.
No bad.
man, them kill Zeke. Yo! I don't kill Zeke.
Money there. And next register.
Hold on there, man. That's how we do it, man. That's how we do it. Me miss that on this, sir. So we got to work. So we got to work. So we got to work. So we got to work.
Move.
So we got to work. No, no self. No, no self. Jump in on car. Quick before them shoot me. Yo, traffic store gone. It's traffic store gone.
Thanks to you. Come on.
Hold on there. Where you point?
Sorry. Go on.
Traffic store gone. Oh, police there, sir. I block the road, people. No, watch out.
No, for them I try block you.
Oh, where me I go, man? Wrong way me I go. Turn on. Traffic store gone.
A good. A good.
Watch
How
out.
can I
Look on the
drive
back
in
of the
that
road.
What is it
Look on the
for
back of the road. Watch it. Police them not
Over
easy,
there.
you know?
Over there. Flying without wings.
Like
Watch it.
team there.
No on
What's the
yourself. No on yourself. No on yourself. How am I just kill so much police and just have 2 star for me? How I go on? What am I doing in life?
Yeah, we have 1 star.
How much I have one? Me have none.
1.
Me have 4.
Watch out. Me
You're
not
soon dead, man. You're soon dead. I can't afford it. Now worry yourself.
Yeah.
Barricade, my barricade. Oh boy.
Dead.
Barricade gunshot.
Drake. Yo, watch it. No on yourself.
Next door.
No on yourself. Watch it.
People like
Chop
us
it
see
through.
there with the crew.
Chop it through bag walk.
As rubbish as always.
Shot over the bridge. Who?
No, the door and they kill me.
Oh.
You better you go your bed.
Who put the sign there, man? Them people don't put sign on. Sure. Don't put sign in your ear, man. I take care. Police, you don't know on yourself. When you can't shoot me for nothing. Bad.
What I mean?
Bad, no bad. That's the public.
No man, get run over.
Ah, shit, yo.
Yo.
Behind me.
Yo, Mohammed.
Wrong way.
Wait for money. Watch out.
Watch it, yo. Watch it. No on yourself.
Wrong person, man.
No on yourself.
Fuck you up this place, I know. Fuck you up this place.
Police, watch it. Look back at you. Oh, police get tips. Police get tips. Yo, no, hurry up and follow, like.
Who no permission? Who no permission to come over here, eh?
Seed.
Assistance is not
You
needed.
Yo.
Seed.
Hold on.
Still 2 stars.
Your assistance is not needed.
Alright, next shop. Yo, rob every shop on the map. How I go on?
I mean,
You watch it. Alright, come in. Put my way I go. Know yourself.
long drop that, you know?
Chop it on the toll, man. Chop it on the toll, brother. We not touch Mandela Highway. No time, because the boy them have it black out there. You see it. You have to go around them. Go around them. Right now we are go around them. Go around them. Them fi know say a nation.
Get fire. Police, move out of the way, no man.
Watch it.
The road, sir. On a hang off a care like a monkey. What I'm doing?
Send to where I come from, you know, people.
Pick up one.
I send to where I come from. I chop it.
Knock him
Watch
over.
it.
Watch out. Run him over, yes.
Hustle hard and we turn money. Man a pre-big business firm money. Junior did call say no go send and call the year say them boy them they afraid. Police know yourself. Oh them a go stop this.
Yeah, bulletproof tire.
Everything cause and another they can't twist. Legalize the hustling. And then me I come from. Ninja, don't touch me now. Oh!
Never put it here.
Watch out,
At
inside
the
the
police, I tried that. Nobody knows me. At the police, I tried that. I crash, man. A little accident go on, man. Oh, no, stop shooting now. Where you shoot after me for, brother?
Accident.
We're not shooting. Watch out, yeah!
Know yourself, police. Hold that. Me give you that.
Please, I have to
Christmas
make a
present.
dead,
Yeah, man, you're dead long time, man.
Put on
Yes, sir.
armor.
That's some armor, man.
Armor.
Dios mío, brother.
Invest in a vest.
man.
Watch
Invest in
it.
a vest, man.
Police, know
Tell
yourself.
this.
Know yourself.
Next
Yo,
door.
know
Next door.
yourself.
Me done rob this.
You ready? Watch out.
Okay.
Me never know no long talking.
Yo, people, remember, say this is a city patrol 20, no, so you don't know, no.
Yo.
Enough action in it, plenty, no. Know yourself.
Leave them.
Oh my god, jump in the car. Ooh, then nearly kill me. Nearly kill me. You can't see me from them police shot ya. Yo, but me not dead, eh? I am leaving on behind.
Yeah, actually.
None of them know the palm, me. None of them know the palm, me. Gunshot, boy.
Some people the aim of the game of escape now because with the way up north and rob all and store them. So the aim of the game of escape and now, know yourself. This has been City Patrol 20 people. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe if you're new around here. Yo, know yourself. Police, know yourself. Know yourself. Alright, I wonder if we can grab a boat for escape from the place now.
Run out, take
Watch
me
it.
in. Run out, take me in.
Mr.
Chop me off, chop me off, chop it. Then the palm, you know. Me alright. Sooner or later.
Later.
Try to escape yourself.
People finna enjoy the crew. I want to see more. Make me know. Please also make me know what you want to see. Me do. If you know more Officer Brown, more Bounty Killer, make me know. More Bojo, make me know. You don't know.
Who give no license to do that?
Screenshots.
Who give no license to do that?
Hold on. I wonder if we can
Who give no license?
go into the shop.
Come on, let's go another shop now, man.
Yeah?
I use the train tracks to try and escape.
Who give no license? Eh? What I'm doing now? What I'm doing now? Police is dead.
Oh God, lose the
Repair
cop.
me car.
Dead police.
Me good. Me lose them. Ha!
You lose
Me lose them.
already?
1 star. Okay, 1 star is if you lose. One sorry if you lose. Me come out to the world and see be a police.
Somebody not survive. Me use a gun quick. Watch out. Move.
Alright.
Surprise my cat still there around.
Watch. Have a try that. Drop me! Oh!
Hey, something to
Know yourself, police!
I'm
Armor me, armor.
on ya.
Think I 2-star after me now. Oh god. Go off road, go off road.
Come on.
Go off road, go off road. On the train track me gone.
Oxy dead.
Yeah man, that's it dead. Alright, train track me gone pa now. We must can lose them quick and fast.
I say no, I'm on a nice summer beach.
You're not on the train tracks here. It's a hit up.
Lose
Me
them.
too, me too, me too. But me gone the other way from you. Me no want your eat for me.
Just don't get stuck.
Car brand new.
Get stuck.
And the police are gonna mash it up in a minute. You me no one tunnel now.
Huh?
You know one tunnel. Alright, I'll see another tunnel for a bit. Hope no train no come.
Okay, I'm gonna lose them.
Jump.
You lose them?
I'm good to go.
Alright, give me a dance. Yeah, give me a dance. Hey, I would tell them when I wear people close there. I would tell them when I boogie on their nose there. I would tell them when I sleep out. Hey, on the. I would tell them when I feel a bigger food there. I would tell them when I tough like board there. I would tell them when I, hey, all of the girls when I do it in the bush and come back in the dance and go on at them stush. In the ear, you know, and fi push. Yo, here. People. If you enjoyed the episode here, please make sure you leave a like, also comment. Also, please remember to follow me over on Instagram at my official page. It is on the screen right now as we speak. So go over there, so go follow it. We go live and interact with Mono as much as possible. So this has been City Patrol number 20. It was a bang. So if you don't like it, please remember. Oh no, if you do already hear that. So big up the crew, big up Agseed, big up Ninja, and big up Tropics.
Take me with you. You're running too fast. Don't.
Train.
Jump in. What am I doing, God? Oh God, me doing God. So I will see you guys when I see you guys. Yeah. Peace.
Yeah, tell for good.